here we go. Everyone's divisions up on the right. If they can see them, if not, I posted them in the chat. No trades. We got 2023 certified with Herbert and Quentin Johnson on the cover. 2 autos, 2 mem. I thought I could do that, but okay. So I'm just gonna get these out of here. Empty box. Here we go. Pop this on the screen. All right. Messing around with the lighting too, but I think we should be good. But let me know. Sounded good. Okay, cool. Here we go. First pack. And all backwards. Interesting. Weighted start. Kid Reporter. Don't know what's the code. There you go. We're going to start off with a gold team Travis Kelce. That's pretty cool. Devin Witherspoon to $3.99. Rookie card for the Seahawks. Devin White for the Buccaneers. Roquan Smith. And Brian Burns for the Panthers. Alright. Numbered rookie. Start us off. And the gold team Kelce. It's pretty cool. Not numbered. It's a cool card though. If anyone collects the, not collects, but uses these, let me know. I'll save them, but otherwise, I'll just throw them in the trash. Calling cards, Derrick Henry for the Titans. And our first auto, Nick Cross to $1.99 for the Colts. Nick Cross, okay. Derrick Henry, Desmond Ridder, and DJ Moore. Had a great start to the year. And then Fields got injured. Hopefully comes back. Fields comes back. I have DJ Moore in my fantasy team, so that would be nice. If he could start doing good again. I think we got a mem here. Yep, thicker card. And there's a code if anyone wants it. To $149, Certified Stars, Jamar Chase. That's a cool one. We'll go to the back. Patrick Surtain. Aaron Jones. I can't see that very well. And Christian Watkins. And our first mem is going to be, oh, it's a mem auto, Trey Tucker for the Raiders to $2.99. There we go. Solid little RPA for the Raiders. What's that? It's the AFC West, right? Is that what that is? There we go. And of course, I still don't have any freaking bigger top loaders, so I will get them. And then top load all these up, as well as the other breaks. Jamar Chase to $149. That's a nice one there for the Bengals. Put it up there. Immortals, Luke Kuechly. That's pretty cool. For the Panthers. Nick Bosa to $349. Nick Bosa. Deshaun Watson, Tony Pollard, and Treylon Burks are 3 base cards. How's the is it still a little like choppy because of the internet probably, but Or is it pretty clear? Here we go. Another Kid Reporter. Bang. DK Metcalf. Got a upside down Geno Smith. I feel like the lighting is tough where I'm at, but I'm trying to figure it out. CeeDee Lamb. I think you can see it though. Shouldn't be a problem. And Kayvon Thibodeau. Kayvon. And after the DK Metcalf franchise foundations, pretty cool card, we got Jonathan Taylor, orange to 149 for the Colts. No Anthony Richardson's yet, but got an auto and numbered for the Colts so far. There we go. Immortals, Mark Levy for the Bills, number 223 to 249. If you're a Bills fan, that's pretty cool. And a rookie quarterback, Sean Clifford to 275. Two numbered cards in this pack. Pretty cool. Dalvin Cook on the Vikings, Joe Burrow, and Ramondre Stevenson. Three base cards there. All right, rookie quarterback for the Packers. Could be good. I don't know too much about Sean Clifford, but you never know. Where'd he go? Penn State. Probably should know about him since I like Michigan. But. All right, here we go. Another Kid Reporter. Myles Garrett, calling cards. Cordell Patterson, Ryan Tannehill, Aiden Hutchinson, and Nick Chubb. 4 base cards on that one. Not a great pack. And here's our second mem. Still looking for, well, I guess we got 2 auto. We'll see. Steve Young Immortals. Mark Andrews, base. Jalen Hurts, base. And George Kittle. And this is a thick one. It's a rookie. Steve Young Immortals. Ooh, Michael Mayer to 349 for the Raiders again. Both the patches for the Raiders. And I think that's the same. Oh yeah, same division there. Congrats. There we go. Move this up. Silver. There's the Steve Young Immortals. 49ers. And this one feels a little thick as well, so we might get another patch, it looks like. So 2 autos, 1 patch, and then this one. There's the card. So I'm going to flip this back around. Matthew Stafford. Derek Stingley Jr. And James Conner. We have AJ Brown, Certified Stars. And to 149, Jalen Hurts. Certified Ballers. To 149. Not from any specific game or event. Bunch of memorabilia. Two Eagles cards in that pack. And last pack here. See if we can get another numbered here. Saquon Barkley, Certified Stars, and a TJ Hawkinson to 275 for the Vikings in the NFC North. Adam Thielen, Nick Bosa, and Cooper Kupp are our base cards. So let me get this one top loaded up. And then we will be all done with this box. I still got one more box. So we'll do that later this week or something. But here we go. Here's all of our numbered cards. Nick Bosa to 349. Jonathan Taylor to 149. Devon Witherspoon, rookie, to 399. Certified Stars to 149. Jamar Chase. T.J. Hawkinson to 275. Sean Clifford to 275. Looks like that numbering is kind of off there, off-centered, whatever, diagonal. And Marv Levy to 249. Immortals. Those are numbered cards. And then our two patches. Michael Mayer, rookie, to 349, and Jalen Hurts to 149. Our two autos, Nick Cross to 199, and Trey Tucker, rookie patch auto, to 299. There we go. That will do it. And stop recording.